This is the cordless battery-powered Eagle Power Plus LM2130SP 21-inch select cut multi-blade lawnmower with self-propelled technology. Today we'll show you the main features of this lawnmower as well as how to insert the battery, which is sold separately. We'll show you how to attach the mulching bag and the grass bag. And since it is time to cut the grass again, we will show you that in action as well. Here we'll set the mower on all four wheels, holding onto both handles. There is a long green lever on the side that will help you lock the handle into position. There are also green clamp tabs on either side if you need to elongate the handle or shorten it. At the base of the lawnmower on the left side, we have a lever that can lower or increase the cutting height of the mower. And towards the back side of the mower, which you would be facing when mowing the lawn, you can insert and remove the mulching canister. And you can also attach the grass bag to it. And you can see this grass bag is rather large. Then towards the front at the top is where you can open the green lid to insert and remove the Eagle battery. Once properly inserted, and if the battery is charged, the center round button on the battery will eliminate green. I'm not sure if you can see it here since it's quite sunny outside, but it is currently eliminating green. Now back over to the control panel, you have the large round power button on the left. When you press the button to turn it on, there are headlights at the front that will illuminate. And when you press the large green safety button in the center of the control panel while pulling back the black handle and then releasing the safety button, the lawnmower will start up and is ready for use. And that's the volume of the lawnmower when in use. And here we're starting to cut the grass, and we can show you the grass that gets collected into the chamber. And now back to the control panel. On the right side, you have some status indicators that tell you the charge level of the battery pack and the working status of the mower. Just make sure when you get your lawnmower that you refer to the operator's manual for the detailed instructions of how to use the lawnmower, including the safety guidelines.